Hello all watching this video. I'm Sebastian. This should be posted on the Seb Clark Coding. I think that's the YouTube channel name. Just a really cool project I've been working on, obviously related to Xapps. This is the start of maybe a Screenshare screen control app, but right now I've got Screenshare working. It's really solid, consistent, error-proof. As you can see here, we have a server project, front end for a server, and I also have front end for a client, who's the one sending the images. And as you can see, the code's quite minimal. There's nothing really, nothing overwhelming here, that's for sure. And just going to show you the result, which I'm very happy with. First, we're going to start our server up, because if we start our client first, we have nothing to connect to. This is the server window. I'm going to run my client now, and this is the client window. When I click the form, I'm going to begin a transmission of my entire screen across a socket to the server. This would work on a separate computer in my household as well. Just doing this for testing purposes. And as you can see, we have something working here. Let's open a PowerPoint just to show you. Oh, what have I done? How do I get out? Okay. Let me swap to show you. Okay, then I bring up my form. Okay, so here you can see we have a responsive, relatively fluid screen share. I've got the packets per frame listed, the local endpoint, remote endpoint, and FPS. And the system I've implemented and created accounts for the fact that sockets send in one massive byte array but receive in chunks or packets, as you can see here. And my filtering and sending system and receiving system and passing into objects and all of that is working synchronous or whatever, working well with each other. And as you can see, the amount of packets is relative to FPS. The more data that's being sent, the more packets being sent, of course. And we can see a perfect example of this if I switch to my home screen instead. After closing all of this, you can see my packets per frame has jumped to 50 with all this extra information, and our FPS has dropped quite significantly. But it's still responsive, it's still working, we are still sharing our screen. And I just think this is a really decent job. I'm very happy with it. You can see when I haven't got this data of an infinitely scrolling window, the packets, when I just move to my other screen, drops to around 15 less than original. But it's working well. It's doesn't seem to have any problems right now. And yeah, I just wanted to share this. I think it's quite a good project. I'm quite happy with this. So yeah, thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.